Download 7 of the best money making apps of 2024. Generates passive income. Free apps like Ibota and Upwork can put more money in your pocket. For those looking to make money in an easily accessible way, apps provide plenty of avenues to consider. You can use your smartphone to take surveys, pick up a side gig, sell your unwanted stuff, and more. Here's the scoop on 7 free money making apps, NerdWallet considered apps with at least 4 stars and 25,000 reviews in both Google Play and iOS App Store. 7 of the best apps to make money are Ibota, Rookten, Swagbucks, Fiverr, Upwork, OfferUp, and Poshmark. For Ibota, Ibota lets you earn cash on in-store and online purchases at over 2,000 supported retailers. Originally for groceries, it has expanded to include clothing, entertainment and eating out, pet supplies, and other categories. Offers can be product or retailer specific, and some will automatically be applied. For others, you need to complete an additional task such as watching a video or taking a poll. There are 3 possible ways to earn cash back in stores: add offers and submit your receipts in the app after your shopping trip. You have 7 days to send in your receipts through the app. Link your retailer loyalty account or purchase a retailer gift card through the Ibota app. For online purchases, you shop through the app or with the Ibota browser extension on your computer. Payment, PayPal, digital gift card, or direct to a bank account. Pros: you receive cashback on in-store purchases quickly, typically within 24 hours. Ibotta also offers a welcome bonus to users, referral bonuses, and a variety of payment methods. Cons: making money can be a slow process. You must have at least $20 in cash back to redeem your earnings. Some gift cards require at least $25 in earnings. For online shopping, the pending period for any cash back varies by retailer. Ibotta also charges an account maintenance fee for inactive, no active, no activity in 6 months or deactivated accounts. The fee is deducted from your balance, not your bank account. You can download Ibotta on Android and on iOS. Rookten, how it works. Rockton rewards shoppers with cash back on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants, and food delivery services. Users can also earn cash back on travel, gift cards, and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the store where you want to shop in the app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rockton account to earn cash back in store. As long as you activate the deal through the app first, Rook Rookten credits the cash back to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which says it can take a few hours to several days. Payment: you can pay with PayPal or big fat check. Pros: thousands of stores and purchases are eligible for cashback, so you will likely find deals where you already shop. New users can earn $10 welcome bonus after their first qualified purchase. You can also earn sign-up and referral bonuses, which can make an impact with your cashback earnings by donating a portion to non-profit partners. Cons: as with most cashback services, you have to spend money to make money. You won't see your earnings right away either. Routine sends out payments every 3 months on the company's payment schedule, and you need at least a $5 cashback balance to get paid. Unlike other apps like Ibotta, you have to remember to initiate your purchase in the app first. If you forget to make your purchase outside of the app, you can't get credit. Downloads: you can download this app on Android and iOS. Money management made easy. NerdWallet tracks your income, bills, and shows you how to. For the third app, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points called SB by shopping online. There are over 1,500 participating retailers taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. The total points awarded can vary by tax. For example, surveys are typically worth about 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on the payment option you choose. But some gift cards are available for as low as 110 SB. Payment, you can pay with e-gift card or PayPal. You can also redeem SB for Bitcoin through the new crypto voucher gift card options. Pros, Swagbox offers many easy ways to earn rewards and there's no waiting period to cash in. Payments usually arrive within 10 business days after redemption. You can also get a $10 bonus with a qualifying $25 purchase when you join. Cons, it doesn't pay much. One SB is worth about a cent. With many tax valued at pennies, it can take a fair amount of time and effort to make substantial money. Additionally, you won't qualify for every survey or tax. Although users can earn up to 5 SB per day if they disqualify, users often report getting kicked out of surveys in the middle of taking them. This can be due to demographics or dishonest or inconsistent answers, according to Swagbox. You can download Swagbox on Android and iOS. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace that features gigs in over 200 categories, such as programming, video, and animation. Create an account first, then you set up your profile as a seller, highlighting your expertise. Choose the gig you're offering, which will include pricing and a description of your services. Pricing ranges from $5 to $995. Clients known as buyers can click through and place orders. You get paid once you complete the job. Fiverr assigns seller levels based on performance. As you move up each tier, you'll be able to sell more extras, such as a faster delivery time, payment, PayPal, direct to a bank account or a credit to Fiverr Revenue Card, a prepaid card. Minimum withdrawal amounts vary, and you may be charged with a withdrawal fee, depending on which option you choose. Pros, you don't have to worry about tracking down buyers because they come to you. You can also earn tips. Fiverr also boasts its flexibility, allowing sellers to complete gig in their own time or around their 9 to 5 jobs. Cons, Fiverr takes 20% of your earning for every gig, including tips, and there's a standard 14-day waiting period to withdraw money after completing an order. Upwork. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing, and other categories on the marketplace. First, you create a profile. It should include information such as the field you're interested in, plus your qualifications, availability, and desired rates. Then you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit. You begin each month with a set of number of connects, which are like credits that allow you to contact prospective clients. You can earn or pay a small sum for other connects, but you won't be charged when clients contact you. You can get paid on an hourly or per project basis. Payment direct to US bank, direct to your bank account, wire transfer, instant pay, PayPal, and Payoneer. Charges apply to some payment options, so be sure to check Upwork for details. Pros: Upwork helps take the work out of seeking out clients, establishing relationships, and getting paid. The service also gives you the flexibility to set your preferred rate and schedule. Cons: the app is free to download. By initiating contact with lots of clients but initiating contacts with lots of clients costs money. Users also get charged a service fee. Upwork takes 5 to 20% cut of your earnings based on how much you build a client. The more you earn, the more you get to keep. However, you won't get paid until 10 days after the billing period ends. Remember too that you're competing with other freelancers on the platform. That means clients may choose those who've set lower rates. You can download Upwork on Android and iOS. OfferUp. OfferUp, which combined with competitor Let's Go in 2020, functions as a local marketplace you can use to sell your stuff. If you want to reach a broader audience, OfferUp also allows shipping anywhere within the United States except for Alaska, Hawaii. Create an account and snap a picture of your smartphone, car, or sofa, whatever it is you're selling. Once you add the title, description, and price, you can post your listing and chat with buyers directly through the app. Then you ship to or arrange a meeting with the buyer. Payment: when selling locally, OfferUp Connect like recommend sellers take cash from buyers and stay clear of accepting payments by check. Cashiers check or using other apps. For shipments, sellers can set up deposits to a debit card or bank account. Pros: creating a listing is simple and fast. You get paid instantly when you make a cash sale. You can also view a prospective buyer's reviews and ratings to an idea of how much trustworthy they are beforehand. If you ship your item, the buyer pays the cost and OfferUp provides the label. Cons: you're responsible for meeting local buyers in person and handling transactions. Sellers must pay a 12.9% service fee or a minimum of $1.99 for shipments. To be successful, you will likely need to invest in a printer so you can print the shipping labels and mail items to buyers. You can download this on Android and iOS. Poshmark, Poshmark, sorry. The Poshmark app is tailor-made for selling clothes, accessories, and even home decor. After signing up, you take or upload photos of your item, fill out a description, price it, and share the listing. You can also feature items in the app's Posh Parties, which are virtual shopping events centered around particular brands, categories, and themes. Poshmark emails you a prepaid or pre-addressed shipping label once a purchase is made. Then you send the package via USPS. Payments: checks, PayPal, Venmo, instant transfer to an eligible Visa or MasterCard debit card, or direct deposit to a bank account. Pros: Poshmark facilitates the entire process from selling to shipping, plus you don't have to meet with strangers to make a sale. The company will cover lost packages and handle issues between you and the buyer. Getting paid is relatively quick too. Poshmark issues the money within 3 days of the buyer receiving the order. Cons: you pay a fee for selling through Poshmark. The company takes a $2.95 commission for sales under $15 and a 20% commission for sales of $15 and above. You can download this app on Android and also on iOS store. So we've come to the end of today's videos, which talks about 7 best apps to make money. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments and questions below. Thank you for staying with us.